Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Fix Online. In today's video, I'm gonna help you learn how to fix TikTok camera quality. If you're trying to create a content on TikTok but your camera quality is poor and blurry, then here are some quick fixes for you. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. The first thing to do if your camera quality on TikTok is bad is to make sure that you've connected your device with an internet, of course. Turn on your Wi-Fi or your cellular data, and once connected, tap open TikTok and try making a video first. If that turns out according to your need, then that means the problem was internet related. If it still does not work, the next thing to do is to make sure that you've downloaded latest version of TikTok on your Android device. Tap open Play Store and search for TikTok by typing it into the search box at the top. If you see an update button popping up on your TikTok application, simply tap on the update button and make sure to get downloaded the latest version of TikTok. If you see an open button right next to the app, it means that your application is already updated. You don't need to do that right now. The next thing to do is to simply disable data saving mode on TikTok if it is turned on. Open up TikTok app from the app drawer. Make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you are, tap on the profile button at the bottom right hand corner and tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right hand corner from the profile page and select Settings and Privacy. From your Settings and Privacy page, right where it says Cache and Cellular Data, tap on Data Saver. Make sure that the toggle for Data Saver is disabled. Now you can tap on the back icon a couple of times to return to the app. Now go ahead and simply create a content to see if that makes any kind of a difference. Another thing to look out for is to make sure that your camera settings are optimized. Simply open up the camera app on your Android device. Now simply tap on the settings button at the top left-hand corner, right where it says pictures and videos. You can make sure that your camera settings have a resolution of 1080 pixel or higher. You can do this for both rear and front camera. Go back to TikTok and see if that fixes your issue. Those were some of the fixes you could try out whenever you want the best quality for your TikTok, since it is not giving you the finest quality while creating a video of your choice. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.